Off in Indianapolis this morning. Sun coming up, and it's been an active overnight. Quiet now, but overnight we did have some evacuations that were ordered in portions of Indianapolis, right along the White River, right near Butler University. In fact, the White River, monitoring some of the gauges there, but it looks like we have achieved major flood stage, perhaps cresting and starting to come down, but the damage has been done.
Yes.
And you know how scary that can be when things start to overflow their banks very quickly.
Oh, yes. I mean, just think it's been, what, day 5 of all of this rain?
Yeah.
And unfortunately, it doesn't look like it's going to stop. So widespread flash flood warnings across several states. And with this saturated ground, I mean, any more water on top of that, it's just going to flood so easily.
Yeah, I think when you look from the surface up, we haven't had a lot of movement. It's been relatively stagnant. There's a boundary drape right along here through Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, and into Kentucky. So it's provided a little bit of the steering or lack thereof when it comes to these showers and storms. And you notice that yet again, Indianapolis in the flood threat through Sunday, but there's even a level 3 out of 4 threat, and that includes a good chunk of central Indiana all the way in through Ohio.
And those are some big interstates as well as big cities. So it's a lot of people that are going to get impacted. And when we talk about flooding, okay, that makes the ground saturated like we had talked about, but that's easily how we can see down trees, down power lines. And that's the last thing you want, is to not have power when you're dealing with all of these thunderstorms rolling through.
A lot of moisture to work with, a lot of humidity in the atmosphere.
Oh, yeah.
This is a look at all the active flash flood warnings. So we talked about this earlier in the hour. Central Illinois, at this time yesterday, we were watching Champaign-Urbana under a flash flood warning. So it's like clockwork, right? So a lot of that leftover activity from yesterday. There's, in fact, a considerable tag to the flash flood threat. This one out of Bloomington, so just outside of Peoria there and outside of Champaign. We have several inches of rain, and these storms, these showers, they are training over the region.
Yes, and that's not what we want to see. And on top of that, a lot of lightning strikes, more than 300 strikes. So it's something that you do not want to be out and about. And Marissa, like you mentioned, the sun is starting to come up, so people want to start their days, but not when the radar looks like this. And we are starting to see some clearing out to the west. I mean, still a little bit of rain, but comparatively speaking to what we're seeing passing through Lincoln, heading towards Champaign. So estimated rainfall totals just over the last 6 hours. Can you see this?
Yeah, I think, you know, this is where Bloomington is. So we're in that 3 to 5, but isolated, as you mentioned, then we pull in that deeper shade of orange, if not red, 5 to 8 inches there. 6 hours. And this is just the 6 hours. This is not taking into account all the rain that we had yesterday morning and then the day before that. So very saturated ground, even as you head out towards Nebraska there. And again, we could have some severe weather with this as well. All right, we're locked into Lala. We'll have more on that tropical storm approaching Hawaii.